This is a picture of a street. There are two tram tracks on the road, and there is a tram on one of the tracks. The tram is white with a red stripe along the side of each carriage. There are not many passengers on the tram. In the background, there are four large buildings. They were built in quite similar styles with many windows. The buildings look old but seem in good condition. Besides, I can also see some pedestrians walking from afar.
Begin reading now.